The TV Guide, your television compass. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a very common phrase you might come across, especially if you're spending time in an English-speaking country. It's the term, TV Guide. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. TV Guide is a combination of two words, TV and guide. 1. TV. This is an abbreviation for television, which is an electronic device that displays shows, news, movies, and other forms of entertainment. 2. Guide. This word generally means something that helps you find your way, provides direction, or offers information. When combined, TV Guide refers to a list or schedule of programs that will be or are currently being broadcasted on television. People often use TV Guide to decide what to watch or to plan their viewing schedules. For example, could you pass me the TV Guide? I want to see what time the football match starts tonight. I always check the TV Guide to see if there are any interesting movies airing this weekend. Before the rise of digital platforms and smart TVs, TV guides were typically printed in newspapers or magazines. Today, many television sets come with electronic program guides, EPG, that display this information digitally. While TV Guide might sound simple, it plays a crucial role in the daily lives of many people. It helps viewers plan their day or week around their favorite shows, discover new programs they might be interested in, avoid missing episodes of a series they're following. Additionally, for advertisers, a TV Guide offers insights into when they might want to run their commercials to capture the largest audience. So, there you have it. The TV Guide is more than just a list. It's a part of many people's daily routines, helping them navigate the vast world of television entertainment. We hope this video has been informative and that you now have a clear understanding of the term TV Guide. Happy watching!